Hello friends. Today we will start second part of putting it together. You have already done worksheet 3. I hope you found the words like quickly, quietly, QUIET, quiet, merry, 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 merry से merrily हो जाएगा, quickly, QUICK, quickly, sweet, sweetly. Okay, like this you will search. Now you know what are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe noun, person, place, thing. Like a pretty girl. Pretty ये बताता है कि गर्ल प्रिटी है, बॉय इंटेलिजेंट है, और बॉक्स कलर बता रहा है ब्लैक है, सिटी बिग है. तो नाउ वी विल सी द एडवर्ब. रिप्लेस द एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस गिवन इन द बोल्ड विथ एडवर्ब्स. तो एडवर्ब फ्रेज है ये, इसको हम लोग एडवर्ब में बदलेंगे. आप देख सकते हैं कि एडवर्ब किसे कहते हैं. फिर से, all the words which tell you how, when, where, how often about an action are called adverbs. Like efficiently, यानी कि कैसे कोई काम हो रहा है, तो efficiently हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है, खुशी से हो रहा है, cheerfully हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है, तो वो हम adverb उसको बोलते हैं, काउंट करते हैं. तो हम लोग ये एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. So first question is already done. He left the room in a hurry. He left the room hurriedly. She packed her bag with care. She packed her bag carefully. Now he fought in the war courageously. Courageously you will write here. He looked for him everywhere. You will write he looked for him everywhere. She greeted us pleasantly. Pleasantly you will write here. She greeted us pleasantly. The whole sentence you will write. Now you see the worksheet 4. You have to read this passage and fill this column and search for number, quantity, quality, size, shape, color and related nouns. Now you see I try to find out some of these. Nikki is a noun. Small size. Small is the size. Fair is quality. 10 is number, so you will write in number column. Now she is energetic, curious. Energetic and curious both will be in quality, and you can write the noun she. Now you see here 6 is number. 6 is number. Sharp and confident. Sharp and confident will be in quality. Okay. Now small is the size. Small is size, and beautiful is the quality. Round is shape. Brown is color. Table is noun. Small is again size, small size. Now red is color. Chair is noun. Large is size, large size. Rectangular is shape. Bed is noun. Big is size, big size. Steel almirah, this can be noun. Okay, so next exercise B, write the adjective form of the following nouns. The first one has been done for you. Nation, national. Sun, sunny, sunny, sunny day, sunny day, so sunny is adjective. Affection, affectionate, affectionate mother, ठीक है. Child, childish man, childish man, child से childish is adjective. Rectangle, rectangular shape, rectangular shape, rectangular is adjective. Beauty, beautiful, beautiful girl, so beautiful is adjective. Dangerous lion, dangerous snake, so dangerous is adjective. Gold, golden chain, golden chain is, sorry, gold is noun and golden is adjective. Hope, hopeful, hopeful girl, hopeful girl, so hopeful is adjective. Year, yearly, yearly income, yearly is adjective. Okay friends, so let us do worksheet 5. Read the following passage about Mr. Arya's robot. Now Sid is a human robot. Sid is a human robot. Mr. Arya created him 2 years ago. And ever since he has been a member of his family, he looks like any other 8-year-old boy. Sid is more efficient than any other ordinary boy. He can learn faster than any of them. He is the best machine in the world. Now given below are some clues about what Sid can do better than other child. Change these clues into proper sentences. The first one has been done for you. Now you see that the example, read fast. Sid can read faster than any other child. Now you will write, Sid can learn faster than any other, Sid can learn more quickly than any other child. Sid can speak more loudly than any other child. Sid can work more efficiently than any other child. Sid can clean better than any other child. Sid can dance more beautifully than any other child. So I hope you have understood worksheet 5. Now tomorrow we will do worksheet 6. Thank you for now.